Welcome. This presentation is on the research plan to address our team's aspect of the wicked problem, which is prepared by Team Global as part of Business Research Design course. Today we have Khalid, Catherine, Leslie and Louis presenting in that order. Wicked problems have no technical solutions as causes are complex and causes are themselves part of wider, always changing and contradictory systems. In this course, we are exploring the wicked problem of how to reduce household waste and increase sustainable consumption. Water, energy and food are the areas to this wicked problem that have significant parts to play in the negative and unsustainable consumption patterns around the world. Using the double diamond method, we have gone through a structured process of discovering information about our wicked problem, on how to reduce household waste and increase sustainable consumption, defining why the situation is the way it is, and exploring different aspects of the problem and creating possible solutions. We broke the wicked problem down due to its complexity and then prioritized which aspect we should address in our assignment. And although all of them are extremely important to address the wicked problem, we have chosen the reduction of plastic takeaway containers as the focus of our assignment. We believe the world is facing plastic epidemic. While substantial environmental impacts from food occur in the production stage, household choices and lifestyle influence the scale of these impacts. As a result, this affects the environment through waste generation. Plastic waste pollutes our air, water and soil. Plastic accounts for 10% of total waste we generate. Almost all plastic today are made exclusively from oil or other fossil fuels. We continue to use the double diamond method to explore potential ideas on how to tackle our team's aspect of the wicked problem. This allowed for the identification of two solution concepts that starts from low cost, low difficulty of implementation through to longer term strategic solutions. Connecting and engaging with businesses in food industry will provide us with greater understanding of pain points in the business experience journeys, explaining why so many businesses are not using sustainable packaging solutions. Helping businesses with implementation would further develop our relationships and provide us with potential future referrals from satisfied customers. Connecting and engaging with customers would help us strengthen customer reach and influence in a meaningful and sustainable way, and it would also allow us to gain great insights and understanding into the end consumer thinking and their decision-making process. Our initial BMC have been populated based on these solutions and will be explained in detail by Catherine, Leslie and Louis.
Thanks, Khalid. If we now move on to our business model canvas, each aspect is designed to enhance and work towards our central value proposition. When it comes to offering value to customers, we're aiming to develop and deliver environmentally friendly takeaway packaging solutions. Designs will be sold to businesses within the Australian food sector, such as cafes, restaurants and foodies, to help them adopt and implement the ecological packaging in their day-to-day business operations. We intend to deliver innovative, cost-effective products made from high-quality natural materials. If we take a look at our customer relationships, it's very important to us to create and manage successful relationships, as they will help facilitate business transactions and therefore generate revenue. If we look at our principal customer segment, which is restaurants, cafes and fast food outlets, relationships will be created primarily through offering personal assistance, automated services and online communities. Personal assistance as a relationship strategy will allow for our customers to communicate directly with our representative throughout the entire buying process. Customers will have the opportunity to raise any queries in person, over the phone or via email. On the other hand, the automated service can be a complement or substitute service for those who prefer to have more control over the buying process and when it takes place. The brand website will simulate personal relationships through targeted product suggestions and deals based on previous search history. An online user community will be established and monitored by the company, as will a membership points-based club. Users will be able to exchange knowledge, learn about product offerings, and see other reviews. Not only will this create a sense of belonging and loyalty for customers, it will also allow for us to improve our understanding of our customer needs. Moving on to revenue streams, our primary revenue stream will be the sale of sustainable and renewable plastic takeaway containers. In order to generate revenue streams, it is essential our company is able to create perceived value for customers. It is more cost-effective for us to focus on recurring revenue streams through sustaining customer loyalty rather than the constant costs of trying to lure new customers in to enhance transactional sales. An aspect of our revenue streams is to create a subscription-type service whereby businesses pay a monthly fee and our products are delivered periodically. Our prices will be fixed listed prices that are volume dependent to encourage consumers to purchase more. Over to you, Les.
Thanks, Catherine. I'm Les, and I'm going to talk to you about our key activities, key resources, and key partners. Our core key activity will be managing customer relationships in order to generate, maintain, and build further product sales. Education will be a critical activity to strengthen our sales pitch and will be important to show customers present-day facts and information on how important change is for environmental reasons. End-user engagement will be a key activity which will take place through the recycling program, social media, and educational programs. Maintaining our website and keeping it up to date and relevant will be a key activity as it is a major platform for branding, information, and customer queries. We'll likely avoid putting pricing up to keep it away from competitors, but we'll connect any inquiry with the sales team so they can begin the personalised relationship. As this relationship matures, then a subscription program will be implemented. Key resources. Having an innovative and ideal product will be our fundamental resource for delivering on our value proposition. This will be designed using natural, sustainable resources and will change as technology and industry improvements develop from our suppliers. Our client customer database will be imperative to integrate our products into their business model whilst building long-standing relationships in the process. Staff, which will initially be a small team relative to the growth development, will be critical in all aspects of product delivery, service design, digital services, sales and procurement. Our website will be a key resource for information and education. Social media and online marketing will be an important resource to help advertise, educate and engage with our customer base. Other key resources will be our supply networks from multiple manufacturers and agents and warehousing for storing stock and coordinating logistics for product deliveries. Key partners. Strong partnerships with our customers and end users will be paramount in building our share of voice within our sector. Our manufacturing and supply partnerships will be key to ensuring the highest calibre of product, continuity of stock and required pricing is negotiated. National logistics partnerships will be needed for product deliveries. Government will be involved as a partner in order to maximise relevant rebates for ourselves and our customers when financing options are on offer. For example, during recent push for LED lighting, the government had cost savings incentives in place for businesses who chose to invest and upgrade. A partnership with a recycling company to help with our end user recycling program and also consultancy in relation to technology changes will be important to help us tailor our products to match these changes. Environmental agencies and lobbying groups will be utilised to help educate our customer base and end users on why transitioning to our product is worthwhile. Also, affiliations with recognised industry experts gives our business further credibility. Thank you.
Thanks, Les. I'm Lewis. I'm going to talk to you about the customer segments, channels, and cost structure areas of the BMC for our project. Through the lens of our potential business, we have identified two main customer segments. We will attempt to meet the needs of these two distinct groups through our innovative product offerings and our pioneering consumer engagement activities. Our principal client segment is restaurants, cafes, and fast food outlets. These businesses will purchase our sustainable packaging for utilisation with their customer base. We recognise that we will require significant buy-in from the end users. To achieve this, we will offer educational programs as to the benefits of our products and the positive contribution to the environment. To further entrench the end user buy-in, we will promote active participation in the end users through a recycling program. Collection points will be established and discounts provided in client restaurants, cafes and fast food outlets to participating members. The principal tool for engagement with our customer segments will involve a direct channel through a sleek and simple web interface. This site can be utilised for the purchase of sustainable packaging items for our restaurant, cafe and fast food outlet clients, and also as an interface for discount tracking and an interactive map with partner restaurant locations. Education programs run through focused marketing campaigns in-store, informative talks, and the company website will attempt to raise awareness of the company's products and the positive impact that they have on the environment. Our cost structure will be primarily focused on the minimization of costs. Our processes will be designed to ensure minimal wastage throughout the production processes, whether in-house or through external contractors. We will aim to reduce our fixed costs by employing a nimble, just-in-time supply methodology. Another significant cost item will be that of our human capital, as an exceptional sales team and IT team for web platform design and maintenance will be required. We aim to achieve the cost advantages associated with achieving high-level economies of scale. To reach these high levels of sales, we will aim for market saturation with a capital-intensive initial business period.
Moving forward, we will be evaluating our findings based on our preliminary research to reaffirm our value proposition. Applying design thinking, further research on sustainable packaging solution will be conducted. This process would reveal a record of iteration needed, which will then be integrated into the new BMC.